Today I'm going to show you how to draw this cute little rubber ducky with coloring pencils. This is an easy beginner drawing lesson for kids of all ages, so let's begin. Alright, let's draw a rubber ducky. This is what you're going to need for today's drawing lesson. You're going to need a piece of paper. I have my dollar store drawing pad out here, 8.5 by 11 inches wide. You'll need a pencil, an eraser, and if you have one of these old paintbrushes that you've never used to paint with, it's great for wiping off eraser bits and dust from your page. Now we're going to need some color, and we're using coloring pencils today. We're going to need, whoops, I almost dropped my coloring pencil there. We're going to need yellow, orange, a light blue, and a darker blue. And I always use my fine tip black marker for outlining. Now that's optional. You could always use a black coloring pencil, okay? So let me clear off my workspace here and let's start drawing. Okay, I'm going to show you how to draw the rubber ducky. Now, we're going to draw his head first, and that's just a circle. Okay? Now his body starts about here, and it's round, and it goes up and joins the circle, which is his head. And his wing goes like this. 1 feather, 2 feathers, 3 feathers. We're drawing a very simple drawing today, my friends. Now let's try to draw the beak. I had trouble with this, so I may have to erase and start all over. I'm going to see if I can get it in one shot. Basically, the beak goes like this. And then there's the smiley face. We're going to erase some of these pencil marks after. I got it in one shot, I think. And we'll draw a nice circular eye right here. And watch what I'm doing. Usually I do oval eyes, but I'm actually going to do just a line in the middle, a little line in the middle like that. And that's it for now. We're going to draw some water and some bubbles, but we'll do that with the coloring pencils, I think. Now what I'm going to do is take my eraser, and I want to erase this line here. You know that little circle part? I want to erase that. Now, if you erase part of the beak or part of the head, don't worry. Just go back in with your pencil and draw it again like I'm doing here. There. We're also going to erase this part of the circle that joins the body, okay? So let's erase that. And again, if you erase part of the head or the body, just go back in with your pencil and draw it back in. Gotta make sure I have everything. There we go. So the first color we're going to use is the orange. That's for the beak. He's a he today, so let's color in the beak, all orange. Now when you're using coloring pencils, I want you to press very lightly. Especially if you have a sharp tip like I do, you don't want to break the tip. I'm just applying a very, very light first layer of orange. Now I'm calling it a layer, and I'll tell you why in a minute. That's our first layer. We're going to apply a second layer of orange. That just means we're coloring it in a second time. And the more layers you put in, the darker it gets. And I'm not pressing down hard at all. I wanted to teach you about layers. Because if you press hard on your coloring pencil, you could break it. And then it costs money to replace it. And we don't have money. We don't want to spend money. Now don't forget, turn your pencil once in a while. Turn it as you're coloring. Turn it. That way you don't wear it down all on one side. Because if it wears down all on one side, again, it might break easier. Okay, and if you want, you can definitely go in and put a third layer, which I'm doing. Just another light layer. As many layers as you want to get the color that you want, okay? As my dog snores in the background. He's snoring pretty loud, isn't he? Okay, now I'm taking my yellow and I'm going to color the entire bird yellow. No, he's not a bird, he's a rubber ducky. So how about I just start? And again, we're going to probably do 2 layers, so don't press down too hard. Turn your pencil once in a while. Try not to get any of that yellow into the eye. We're going to color in this part of the eye black, but I'd like to keep this part white. Oh my goodness, my hound dog Jack. Can you hear it? That's the thing, I do these videos in my room with, it's where my dogs and my cats sleep, and they just fall asleep as soon as I start making videos, and my hound dog Jack snores so loud. Are you remembering to turn your pencil once in a while? Now you could do this with crayons, or you can do it with markers. I think markers would look really, really nice, because you'd get a nice vibrant yellow with that marker. But I just felt like using my coloring pencils today. I haven't used them in a while. I'm going to do the wing too. The whole rubber ducky is yellow. Do you guys watch Sesame Street, or have you ever watched Sesame Street? It's a kids show. I think it's an American kids show, but I'm pretty sure they show it all over the world. I used to watch it when I was a kid, and I remember the rubber ducky song. It was Ernie, one of the guys from the Ernie and Bert duo. Ernie had a rubber ducky, and he sang about his rubber ducky, and it just brought back memories of when I was a kid. I've never actually had a rubber ducky. How are you guys doing? I'm done with my first layer, and I'm going to go in and put a second layer, which means I'm coloring it in a second time. And already I'm sure you can see the difference between 1 layer and 2 layers. So I'm going to do the whole ducky, and we're going to see if we need a third layer or not. Just be careful around the eye, and make sure to turn your pencil once in a while, okay? And if I can remember the song, and I am not a good singer, but I will sing it for you as you're coloring. Part of the song anyway, that Ernie used to sing on Sesame Street. How did it go? Ah, yes. Rubber ducky, you're the one. You make bath time lots of fun. Rubber ducky, I'm awfully fond of you. That's part of it. And there's another part that I really like. He says, every day when I make my way to the tubby, I find a little fella who's cute and yellow and chubby, a rub-a-dub-dubby. I love that part. A rub-a-dub-dubby. I remember I used to take bubble baths. I love bubble baths. But no, I never had a rubber ducky. A rub-a-dub-dubby. Do you remember that song if you watch Sesame Street? Look Look at how great 2 layers is compared to 1, eh? I love that trick. The layering trick for coloring pencils. Don't forget to turn your pencil once in a while. I'm going to have to get a new yellow pencil soon. This one is really getting short. But I use them until the very end. I always say if I can sharpen it, I can use it. If it fits in the sharpener, I'm going to use it. Yeah, I don't remember as a kid having toys in the bathtub. I think my toys were bubbles. And the bubble bath stuff was called Mr. Bubble. That I remember. I don't know if they still have Mr. Bubble now. But it was a cute little bottle with a face on it. Mr. Bubble's face. How are you guys doing? Are you remembering to turn your pencil? Because I forgot. I'm talking too much again. All right. Oh, I love how my rubber ducky is looking. I don't think he needs a 3rd layer. I think he's doing okay. So, what shall we do now? Let's grab our dark blue, and we're just going to put a little puddle of water around him. Like about that big. Okay? And try not to get any into the yellow rubber ducky. All right? And again, with all pencils, make sure you turn them once in a while, and you don't have to press down hard. We're going to add layers. There's the first layer, and I'm going to apply a 2nd layer. You see the difference, huh? With this blue, I may have to apply 3 or 4 layers. I'm going to see what it looks like when I'm done. I'm thinking of doing something else, so I'm going to leave this at 2 layers, and I'm going to come back to it after. But I'm going to grab my light blue. It's more of an aqua blue, and that tip is really, really sharp. Look at that. I think I'm going to break this one. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to draw little bubbles in random spots around the rubber ducky. Nothing big. Can you even see them with my bright lights? I am going to put a few layers though. You see, I'm not really doing much. I'm just drawing little circles here. And I'm going to put a 2nd layer of that light blue on each one so that you can see it better now, you see? And I'm turning my pencil as well. And I'm being really careful here because I don't want to break the tip of this. It's very, very sharp. Doesn't that look cute? Little bubbles all around him. He probably just shook. And his water is getting everywhere. Now I'm going to take that same light blue and I'm going to put a layer of light blue into the dark blue. And let's see what that looks like. I think it's going to look really pretty. You can do that with coloring pencils. You can apply different colors for different layers. And it makes it look nice. Doesn't that look nice? I'm just going to be careful here, turning my pencil, and I'm not pressing too hard, and I don't want to get any blue into the yellow. I like how that looks. That looks really pretty. Are you guys doing the same thing? Are you going to blend your colors, or did you do 3 layers of the dark blue? Because you can follow my instructions, but I'd like you to sort of do stuff on your own too, you know, so you can learn and experiment and see what colors look nice together. Turning my pencil. There we go. All right, the last thing I'm going to do is outline. Now I've got my black fine tip marker. You don't have to outline, but I'm going to do it. You could use a black pencil, like I said, but I'm going to outline the entire rubber ducky, and I'm going to be really careful because I want to follow my pencil marks. Jack's snoring. I'm going to outline his eye too. We are going to come back in and color in that eye, but I want to do the outlining first. There we go. Now his wing. I like outlining. I think it looks really nice. All right, my little rubber ducky is all outlined. Now I'm going to color in this part of the eye here, black, okay? That the left side that I put, where I put that semicircle there, that's all going to be black. And I'm being careful because I'm getting some marker on my hand and I don't want to smudge it. So next time you take a bath, I want you to sing the rubber ducky song. Or at least go, a rub-a-dub-dubby. There we go. There's our rubber ducky. What do you think, guys? Did you enjoy that? I really, really enjoyed this. It was a lot of fun. I'm going to sign my name, and I want you to do the same, okay? I want you to take ownership of the beautiful work of art that you just created. I really hope you enjoyed this lesson, my friends. We'll see you next time on Rain Francis Art for Kids. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.